हम लोग प्रिंसिपली तो रैगिंग के खिलाफ हैं, हम सारे ही लोग, और इस यूनिवर्सिटी में कोई केस आया नहीं है। आया है तो सारे लोगों ने उससे लड़ा है, संघर्ष किया है। रैगिंग नहीं होनी चाहिए, किसी कीमत पे नहीं होनी चाहिए।
The values of non-violence, all this should be part of value education embedded into textbooks or even taught as a separate subject wherever, in whichever way a board of secondary education feels comfortable with. That should be the ideal way to go about it.
The UGC had developed the helpline center, which has been EdShield, Education Consultant of India, has been this contract has been given to them. They have set up a big office where there are, I think, more than 24 or 25 helplines and persons sitting throughout the day, noting down the complaint on the phone and passing on to the relevant college and also monitoring. So that has been already set up there, and it is in operation for last 1 year or so. It has helped tremendously, and we get that information on a regular basis. Now what we are doing is we are developing a portal where there is a direct online facility available to the student to register their complaint and seek the help. Yeah. At the moment they can call on phone, but we will have that portal also developed now very soon, so that there is a 24 hours facility for the student to register any incidents, any complaint as such will be attended to. So increasingly we are trying to improve this facility as such. In fact, this unit which is given to the EdShield was inaugurated by Honorable Minister Circumprinciple.
University Grants Commission also is doing quite a bit on its part to stop ragging, which is a very healthy sign. And then given the fact that people come from different parts of the country, they should be having a icebreaker, but not ragging as such.
Student indulging in ragging can be expelled from the institution, banned from the mess or hostel, denied scholarships, debarred from examinations, denied admission to any institution, prosecuted for criminal action, and prosecuted by police on the basis of the FIR filed by the institution. And in case of ragging, students are advised to make use of the toll-free anti-ragging helpline 1800-180-5522 or simply 15522.
Now we also documented whether this social disease which is pervading at large could be eliminated. If so, what are the measures open to you?
It must come, parents must teach their children when they go to school that look, you should not oppress others, either physically or mentally in any possible way. Students themselves should be enlightened and made to understand when they are in an institution, and that you must respect the incoming students. And of course civil society must debate this and become enlightened in the process.
What we had suggested, which is a workable, more short-term solution, was that create a cadre of wardens in hostels. Today, the wardens in hostels are non-specialists. So we had suggested in our committee's report, Ragan Committee report, to have a specialist cadre where selection could be made on attributes like ability to counsel, so that the warden is available 24 hours. Apart from the administrative functions of a warden and maintaining discipline, he or she could also be a counselor of sorts.
It is the college authorities, the university authorities which have to take a definite view of arranging some kind of programs. I call it orientation week. Keep them engaged for a week in the name of the orientation week. Give some kind of make them involved in sports.